snowed way too much here. Way too much. Before it dry up. Can you see it? Nothing but powder. So me and the puppies have been stuck inside all weekend, huh? We've been stuck in all weekend doing absolutely nothing. It doesn't look like it's going away anytime soon. So I'm just sitting here with the puppies. Ow! Watch out, buddy. We can't wait to go back to Florida. In fact, we think we might have found a house that we like and everything else, huh? That means more space for me to poop in, more things for me to do, and a lot more. Mommy's calling.